Learning a new language can be hard. English is no different. You work hard to learn grammar rules. You make lists of vocabulary words, but sometimes you need a little more. Sometimes you need phrases. Phrases are groups of words that go together. They make your English sound more natural. They can help you in lots of situations. Knowing common phrases will make you a more confident English speaker. In this essay, you will learn 10 easy English phrases. You can use these phrases every day. They will help you talk to people. They will help you understand people. Let's get started. Here are 10 common English phrases. Use them when you are speaking. Listen for them when you are listening. 1. Hello, how are you? This is a friendly greeting. Use it to start a conversation. 2. I'm good, thanks. How are you? This is a polite response to how are you. 3. Please. This is a polite word to use when you ask for something. 4. Thank you. This is a polite word to use when someone gives you something or does something for you. You can also say thanks. 5. You're welcome. Say this when someone thanks you. 6. Excuse me, use this phrase to get someone's attention. You can also use it to apologize for something small like bumping into someone. 7. I'm sorry. Use this phrase to apologize for something you did wrong. 8. What's your name? Use this phrase to ask someone's name. 9. My name is. Use this phrase to tell someone your name. 10. Nice to meet you. Say this when you meet someone for the first time. Learning new phrases is important, but it's also important to use them. The more you use these phrases, the easier it will become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they are learning something new. Try using one new phrase each day. You can use it with a friend, a classmate, or a teacher. You can even use it with someone you meet at the shop. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Learning English is a journey. It takes time and practice, but it's also very rewarding. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll be speaking English fluently in no time. Did you find these phrases helpful? Do you want to learn more English? Subscribe to my channel for more English lessons, like this video and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video.